Today, in 8 minutes, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to make money online making Fortnite maps as a beginner, just like this game here, which has already made $5,000 within the span of just 7 hours. Guys, I promise you, throughout this video, you're seriously going to become rich online making Fortnite maps. So that is why throughout this video, to celebrate your own future success making money online making Fortnite maps, I thought of a no better idea but to react to your guys' games and give you guys live pointers and breakdowns and tips and tricks and strategies that you guys can use to replicate the same success that I have had so you guys can make more money online with your Fortnite maps. If you guys want to be in the next video where I react to your games, click the link in the description and join the Discord. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, so the first game that we're going to check out is by a fan and viewer of mine named Mackie Fish. He made a game called Guess the Brain Rot, and by the looks of the thumbnail, I don't really know what I'm expecting. I don't really know what this is. I don't know what that is. That looks like a tater tot from McDonald's. I don't know what that is, but the game has amassed a total player count of 191 players, and the game has amassed a total dollar amount of $55 within just the span of a day. It's pretty good because that's around $3,000 a month by literally just making Fortnite maps. But without further ado, let's go check out this game and make you guys all rich. Okay, so we're inside of Mackie Fish's Guess the Brain Rot here, and by the looks of the aesthetic, this is what you guys want to be doing when you guys are actually entering inside of a game. You guys want to be having your creator code, you want to have your social media handles, and you want to have the leaderboards, and you want to also promote your new games as well. And behind you, I guess we have a vault here, but there's no remote to actually spawn you back. So what if I want to go back and like open the vault? I have to walk all the way back. That's pretty disappointing. But we have these brain rot characters here. I'm pretty sure this is a Smurf, right? I believe. I don't know how that movie did at the box office, but I don't really know how this is brain rot either. But let's just see. Let's see. Level 1 beta status. Let's see what we gotta do here. Finish the lyrics. All right, let me see. Okay, so what the Sigma? Okay, this is actually super kind of dumb. It's 19. What? 10 plus 9 is 19. It's not 21. What are you talking about? I'm not stupid, bro. Why did they just call me stupid? It has to be this. What? Dude, what is happening on my screen right now? But nonetheless, I like the timer. Okay, kiss me. Who says OI? It's probably... Dude, what is this? I don't know what this is. This is super confusing with me, bro. This is really confusing. Can I get a first try? Dude, I just keep dying, bro. And play for 40 minutes for a big surprise? Dude, come on. You have to have teased. What you should have done is teased the skibbity toilet over here. That's what you should have teased. You should have teased the big reward inside of the vault that people have to wait for 40 minutes instead of just having it on your screen, you know? Like, this is just super strange. And also, when you die, you have to restart the whole thing. I guess that's a way to symbolize playtime and stuff, but like, I think it's a little stupid. I'm pretty sure that's John Pork, and I don't know who says that. Somehow I'm doing good. This is super strange, bro. Did I already beat the game? Wait, okay, so there's more. But how do I get back to where I want it to be? How do I get back here, guys? You guys know what to do? Load. This is super weird, bro. I don't know what's happening. Do you guys know what's happening? The game's cool and all, but like, it's just weird. Like, it's just a weird game. Mackie Fish, honestly, I'd rate it like a 7 to 6 out of 10. I just feel like there's not a lot you can really do with these games, and the playtime really only lasts one time. Once you beat it, there's not a lot of replayability factor to it. You know, it's a good idea, but like, there's not a lot of replay value with this game. So therefore, that is why I give you my 6-star rating. Without further ado, keep up the good work, brother. Let's go check out the next game. All right, so the next game that we're gonna check out is by a fan and viewer of mine named Salome. He made a game called School Tycoon, and by the looks of it, I love the thumbnail because it symbolizes school. We got the bookshelf, we got the chair, the teacher chalkboard, and the fish stick is symbolizing himself like he's reading, opening up a book, taking a test, whatever. So far, I love what I see, but nonetheless, the game has amassed a total player count of only 2 players 8 hours ago. So is this game actually that good? We'll have to see. And it's literally only made $1. So that's a little weird and interesting, but I'm gonna give this game a benefit of the doubt here, and we're gonna check out this game and show you guys tips and tricks that you guys can use so you guys can replicate the same success that I've had, so you guys don't make mistakes inside of your next Fortnite map when you guys are trying to make money online. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so we're inside of Salome School Tycoon, and literally, bro, this is the game that I sent you that I'm selling to other people. If you guys didn't know already, I actually sell pre-made successful games you guys can actually buy, so you guys can literally make thousands of dollars a month. And that's exactly what this guy did. Where in school can you buy women? Where can you do that? In what school can you buy women? That is just not happening in school, okay? How is this a school tycoon, bro? Did you seriously? And I can't even walk in this building, bro. What is this? This is not the game that I sent you, bro. You definitely tweaked it up, and you might have messed it up as well. I don't understand what's happening right now. So we claim the base. Awesome. That's cool and all, right? But use remote to kill zombies. All right, so we use that and we teleport, and there's zombies that we can kill. I guess that's a little interesting. That's kind of cool. Dude, you literally just stole my game one. I'm gonna go over here, though. I'm gonna go over to this rainbow slide over here because there might be something a little cool over there that I might have hit for a lot of you guys. Oh my god, I gotta wait 30 minutes to activate a stupid slide, bro. 30 minutes for a slide? Are you kidding me? There's no way, dude, there's no way you're serious, man. Salome, man, you literally just took the game that I gave you that I'm selling inside of my Discord. You guys should join, by the way, #ad, and didn't do anything with it, bro. You didn't change one thing, and like, who's gonna see who's gonna look all the way up there? If you're looking like this, oh, maybe you'll see it, but you're not gonna see that, bro. Like, you can't buy women inside of school. There's there's still nothing inside of this game, bro. There's still nothing really that cool or special. We got business. Like, is this really, this does not look like a business, bro. This does not look like why would we have a conveyor belt inside of a business? Like, when did we ever have this in a business, bro? Like, this does not look like a business. Maybe the attributes of a business, you know, I'm making money, whatever, right? The fact that you just took my game that I gave you, and I can literally just walk through here, and it looks invisible, maybe because I'm on performance mode, I don't really know, but not gonna lie, the game is not really the greatest. This is not what I sold you, bro. You tweaked it up, kind of made it a little bit worse, bro. But I hope this game does well, man. A lot of people who are actually using my games are actually having a lot of success, which you guys can literally only buy for a few $100s, all right? So it's definitely worth it. I'm gonna give this game a 5-star rating. Not much else to be said here, but with these next games coming up, man, oh man, there's a lot to be said. But without further ado, Salome, keep it up. Let's go check out the next game. All right, so the next game that we're gonna check out is by a fan and viewer of mine named Ninju Games. He made a game called Red vs. Blue Zombies, and I love the pixelation form. I actually literally just watched a movie called Pixels literally last night, and this game gives perfect symmetry to that. I love how different it is and how actually appealing it is. Look at the zombies looking left and right. I don't know if you made this in AI, but even having a Jonesy that is 2D is perfect for this type of game. I'm excited to see if this is just a Red vs. Blue game, or is it actually like a pixelated 2D version of Red vs. Blue. Like I say earlier, in all of my games, you literally have to be innovative to actually make money, but this game is seriously only had an all-time peak of 0 players. How? Wait, I'm the first person actually about to play this game. It was literally just posted today in Creative 1.0. Max player size of 20. Dude, I'm excited because usually you are never ever the first person trying to play a Fortnite game. You're never the first person. So I'm gonna give this game the benefit of the doubt here. Man, I'm excited to check this out. Okay, so we're inside of the green versus blue, red versus blue, and why do I see Dr. Doom and Galactus on my screen? Why is that a thing? I know this was made in 1.0, but like, why are we even adding that? I thought this was like a zombie red versus blue. Where is the zombie red versus blue at all? Why do I see a big trigger right here? What is it? What even is this? Why is this in the game? Why do I see this inside of the game? This is the laziest game of all time, bro. What the hell? And it's literally super small, bro. It reminds me like I'm playing like poker or something, and I can't even build either. What is this red versus blue? This game is terrible. This is so bad. And so what am I supposed to be doing? And there's a hideout here. Like, what am I supposed to be doing in this game? There's like no areas to go off of. There's nothing even cool about this game. What's inside of this door? Let's see. Zombies? Like, what is it? How is this even gonna be cool? What kind of red versus blue game is this? So I just shoot zombies, and what do I even gain out of that? There's no, it's like I'm claustrophobic in a Fortnite game. And Fortnite's all about space and terrain. Like, there's nothing good about this. Like, what is good about this game? It's so short. I literally thought there was extra rooms here, but there isn't. It's like, it's literally this and this. I know you made this on 1.0, but still, bro, there's a lot of better games out there you could have took inspiration from. I am so lost right now, bro. What do you have for power-ups? Let's see. How is this a power-up? Infinite HP, 1 power-up? Are you kidding me? And why do you spawn with your blue guns, dude? Dude, what are you doing? This is a terrible, terrible game, man. I'm sorry, bro, but this is really, really bad. What are we doing here? Okay, I seriously don't know what the hell I'm supposed to be doing with this game, man. I seriously don't understand what I'm gonna be doing. I mean, some things that I can credit is that at least you spawn with weapons. A lot of people sometimes get clueless. There's a lot of guns and they get overwhelmed and they don't really know what to choose. But why can I see the HP health points of the building? Like, why are these not indestructible? People are gonna think they can just break the wall, but they can't. Like, why am I allowed to see the HP points of the destructions of the builds? Like, how does it even make any sense, man? Dude, there's so much inspiration you could have taken off from other people's games and you just didn't even try. You didn't even try, bro. You did not try at all, man. And this is super, super upsetting, man. When you guys are making these games, you guys do not want to be doing what this guy did. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys, please join the Discord where you guys can literally connect with like-minded people inside of the space, all trying to better themselves, trying to make money online, making Fortnite maps. I literally am doing battle pass giveaways every single day inside of the Discord. And guys, join Fort Mafia in the link in the description if you guys want a full course to teach you guys how to actually make money online making Fortnite maps. It's been your boy Davey Davis. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Click the last video on the screen. I'm out. Peace. Mwah.